Pavilion DV2000 laptop. The problem in this laptop is that this laptop is totally dead. There is a short circuit in this laptop. When we plug in the power supply, I'm plugging in the power supply here. Just wait a minute. First of all, see the current meter. When we plug in the power supply and we power on this, there is a short circuit. The current rating goes beyond 5.3 amperes. It goes up to 5.3 amperes. Alright, the voltage has dropped to 3.3 volts. See here. See the current which is now I have unplugged this laptop, unplugged. Alright, and the voltage is 19 volts. When I plug in the power, see the current goes to 5.3 amperes and voltage drops down to 2.8 volts. So there is a short circuit in this laptop. So let us trace. I have traced it down and I found a short circuit here. See these MOSFETs. This is a 3.3 volts and 5 volts section. The operating IC is maximum 8725, max 8725E. It is here, max 8725E. You can see. Okay, so let us trace. See, this MOSFET is giving beeps all over with ground. All the MOSFETs. See. All MOSFETs, all the 4 MOSFETs are giving beep with the ground. Okay. So problem is in the first step, the step down section. The reverse side of that same motherboard, see the damage. The capacitor has blown up. The coil is also giving a beep with the ground. It is showing a short circuit on the capacitor. See, both sides on both the capacitors. See the MOSFET. This MOSFET is also showing short circuit with the ground. See, let me show you in the, I'll show you in the clear light. See here. The short circuit, it is clearly visible. Okay, on the reverse side, these 4 MOSFETs are giving continuity beep with the ground, and on this side, these 2 capacitors, the MOSFET and the coil, this is giving beep. I have removed the capacitors from here. Still there is a short circuit. So problem is in some other chip or MOSFET. See, short circuit on both the sides. Okay, after cleaning you can see the damage. The track has burnt out, and yeah. But there is no other damage to the motherboard. Only the track has burnt. I have removed all the four MOSFETs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the IC, the generator IC, voltage regulator IC, and corresponding MOSFETs. All these 4 MOSFETs along with the IC, and on the other side I have removed the shortened capacitors and the MOSFET. Sorry, this is IC U11, U48. Still the shorting is there. You can see here the shorting is on both the sides, here and here. So let's trace it more. This indicates that the fault is somewhere else, not in these ICs and the MOSFETs and the capacitors. Some other component is also generating also getting shorted with ground.